Google has launched the Gemini CLI, now you can use Gemini AI directly in your command line. Go to the repository, scroll down, and run the installation script. Wait for it to complete. Next, create a folder and run Gemini inside it. Then, type Gemini. The first time, it will ask you to log in using your Google account or a Gemini API key. I've already logged in, so it didn't ask me. I will ask it to create a Python file and run it. The file created will be saved inside the folder you have created. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.